Hey everyone, and welcome back to the swamp. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of animal regeneration. You know, that superpower some animals have where they can regrow entire limbs? It's the kind of thing that makes you wonder why we humans are stuck with just 10 fingers and 10 toes. Join me, Shrekonomics, as we count down the top 10 animals that put our human healing abilities to shame. Get ready for some incredible adaptations, mind-blowing science, and maybe even a little inspiration for future medical breakthroughs. Up first, we have the axolotl, a critically endangered salamander from Mexico. These little guys are basically the poster children for regeneration. Seriously, if you chop off an axolotl's arm, it doesn't just heal over with a scar, it grows a whole new arm. And we're not just talking bones here, people. We're talking muscles, nerves, blood vessels, the whole shebang. But it gets even crazier. Axolotls can regenerate parts of their spinal cord, heart, and even their brains. Scientists are studying their incredible abilities to unlock the secrets of regeneration and potentially apply them to human medicine. Next up, we have the starfish, masters of underwater regeneration. You might already know that if a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one. But did you know that in some cases that single severed arm can actually regenerate into a whole new starfish? Talk about a comeback story. This process, known as a fragmentation, is a type of asexual reproduction and is a testament to the incredible regenerative power of these echinoderms. Just imagine if we could do that. Lost a finger in a kitchen mishap? No problem, just grow a whole new you from it. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really wild. Meet the planarian, a tiny flatworm with a huge regenerative capacity. These microscopic marvels can regenerate any part of their body, even their heads, from just a tiny fragment of tissue. Scientists have cut planarians into dozens of pieces, and each piece has regenerated into a completely new worm. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. Imagine the implications for human health if we could harness even a fraction of that regenerative power. Chapter 4. Salamanders, nature's limb-regenerating champions. Salamanders, those slick little amphibians, are like the superheroes of regeneration. These guys can regrow limbs, tails, eyes, and even parts of their hearts and brains. Their regenerative abilities are some of the most advanced in the animal kingdom. Scientists believe that salamanders have a special type of cell called a blastema cell that plays a key role in their remarkable regeneration. These cells are like construction crews rushing to the site of an injury and rebuilding the damaged tissue. Chapter 5. Sea cucumbers, evisceration experts. Hold your noses, because we're about to get a little gross. Sea cucumbers, those sausage-shaped creatures of the sea, have a rather unique defense mechanism. When threatened, they can actually expel their internal organs. This process, known as evisceration, might seem extreme, but it's a surprisingly effective way to deter predators. And the best part, they can regenerate those organs no problem. Now that's what I call a gutsy move. Chapter 6. Zebrafish, the tiny fish with big regenerative potential. Don't let their small size fool you. Zebrafish are swimming in regenerative potential. These tiny fish can regenerate their fins, heart, and even parts of their brain and retina. Scientists are studying zebrafish extensively to understand how their regenerative abilities work at a molecular level. The hope is that by unlocking the secrets of zebrafish regeneration, we can develop new therapies for human diseases and injuries. Chapter 7. Talk about rapid renewal. Deer, those majestic ungulates, are the undisputed champions of antler regeneration. Every year, male deer shed their antlers, only to regrow them bigger and more impressive than before. Antlers are one of the fastest growing tissues in the animal kingdom, and their regeneration is a complex process involving rapid cell growth and differentiation. Imagine if our bones could heal as quickly as deer antlers. Chapter 8. Spiny mice, the skin-regenerating rodents. Spiny mice might look a little prickly, but they're actually quite remarkable when it comes to regeneration. These little rodents can regenerate skin, cartilage, and even hair follicles, making them unique among mammals. Scientists are studying their regenerative abilities to understand how they avoid scarring and promote tissue regeneration. This research could lead to new treatments for wounds, burns, and even hair loss in humans. Chapter 9. African spiny mice, ear-repairing extraordinaires. The African spiny mouse takes regeneration to a whole new level. Not only can they regenerate skin and hair follicles like their spiny mouse cousins, but they can also repair damaged ears. That's right, these incredible creatures can regenerate cartilage and even regrow hair on their ears. This remarkable ability makes them a valuable model for studying mammalian regeneration and could hold the key to developing new treatments for ear injuries and hearing loss. Chapter 10. Flatworms, the ultimate regenerators. And now for the grand finale, the ultimate regenerators, flatworms. These incredible creatures can regenerate their entire bodies from just a tiny fragment, making them the undisputed champions of regeneration. Seriously, you can cut a flatworm into hundreds of pieces and each piece will grow into a whole new worm. This mind-blowing ability is due to their high proportion of stem cells, which have the remarkable ability to differentiate into any type of cell in the body. Outro. That's a wrap on regeneration. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 animals with incredible regenerative abilities. From axolotls to flatworms, these amazing creatures are rewriting our understanding of what's possible in the animal kingdom. Who knows what other secrets of regeneration are waiting to be discovered? If you enjoyed this journey into the world of animal superpowers, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing content and let me know in the comments which regenerative creature you found most impressive. Until next time, stay curious.